Hey Legend fans, all of our V-Series pontoon boats come completely standard with this beautiful 7-inch Garmin display. The Garmin beautifully complements both that 8-inch medallion system as well as that fusion stereo to really round out what was already an absolutely beautiful helm. I'd like to take a couple of minutes now and walk you through some of the features that you'll find in that Garmin unit. On the home screen, you're going to find some of the most popular features and pages that you'll be able to explore all through touchscreen navigation. As you saw there, you have the access and ability to click on charts, find any of your most important navigational charts. All of the Canadian and US maps are already preloaded into this Garmin unit, which is an absolute amazing feature. Moving back, we can switch over to some of our more traditional sonar views. These are fantastic for your fish finder applications. So we're gonna have more sonar views in there. The clear view, giving us a little bit more of an actual view of the bottom of the lake and that structure. We've got some split screen options. So you're gonna see the ability to mix up some of those traditional sonar views and the clear view, or kind of going back to that traditional fish finder look and different split screen options that you'll find throughout there. We even have the ability to go into a flasher mode and really try to highlight some of the bait that you might be able to see or work at different depths. Jumping back over, some of the other items that you're gonna find in there is again, some of the combo units, the ability to save some of your favorite views through there and mix up between some of the GPS navigational pages, as well as the fish finder or mapping options that you'll find, which are kind of nice to see. Another great feature of that Garmin unit, even though we do have that digital display already in the medallion, is the ability to still see all of your engine functions in a digital view. So here we can quickly see our fuel capacity, any of our oil pressure items, RPM, TAC, even right down to how much fuel is available left to us in this boat. I mentioned earlier that this Garmin unit pairs beautifully well with that Fusion stereo system, and one feature that I love to use is turning my entire Fusion stereo system into more of a one-touch media control center by using the Garmin to control my entire stereo. Versus heading over to the smaller Fusion unit, I can now control and see all of my stereo options built right into that Garmin Fish Finder GPS Depth Finder unit. The Garmin 7-inch unit is an absolute beautiful feature, absolutely completely standard on the V-Series, and one you're going to want to check out when making your next pontoon decision.